If you are going through a lot of negativities or maybe depression and you are not able to take your life in the positive path, you are not able to think and feel positive, and one or two issues are really bothering you a lot and you are not able to understand what to do, then this video is for you, because today I am giving you a simple hack or a simple process that will help you come out of negativities, depression and these negative emotions, to set your life on the positive flow, on the positive path and with lot of positive energy, so that you could able to manifest your goals, desires and dreams, and you can able to create the life of your dream. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello Awesome Tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And those of you who are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our Awesome Tribe. Now, I have been sharing many tools, techniques and processes and a lot of insights about life and how our subconscious mind works, how our conscious mind works, and how the law of attraction works and how the universe works, so that you could able to remove and change all your negative energies, negative thought, negative feelings, and come out of all those negativities to set your life on a positive path and create massive change in your life and manifest your goals, desires and dreams. But if you have been trying many tools, techniques, but still you are not able to feel and think positive and be in that exciting mode to set your life on the positive path and create massive change, then there are some issues in your life which are creating lot of negativities, and maybe one or two issues, in most people cases just one issue or one major issue, which creates so much of negativities that keep you stuck in life. And no matter how much you try to do some affirmation or meditation or visualization, still you are not able to come out of it. Sometimes you come out of it, sometimes you won't, and that is why you see that other people are manifesting their goals, desires and dreams, but in your case you are not able to do it. From time to time you feel high, sometimes you feel low, you are manifesting smaller things but you are not able to manifest bigger things, and you wonder why your life is like this. And sometimes you feel like, okay, whether this thing is working for me or not, or why things are not working in my favor. My friend, if this is happening, then you are stuck with one or two major things in your life. And before using any tools or techniques, or apart from using all the tools and techniques, you need to resolve these issues today. You need to resolve this issue, maybe not today, maybe in next few days, but you have to start using a process to find what you really want to do. What is the thing you have to do about this particular issue, this particular big negative situation that is in your life, or some situation which is not very negative but you have make it one of the biggest situation in your life. You have to come out of it so that you could able to set your life on the positive flow. Now, if you are in this situation, you must be knowing what is that one or two situation which are making you feel negative most of the time. Maybe it is a relationship issue, maybe it is relevant to money, maybe it is relevant to your job, or maybe you constantly feel drained out and lack of energy because there are small things and so many things going on and you constantly feel tired and drained out. Or you have some health issues. It can be issue from any area of life, or it can be from multiple, but there are one or two issues which create the maximum negativity. And when you are stuck with these negativities, you are not able to move forward. So this is the thing you have to do. First, think about that area or think about that issue, and you have to ask this one question to yourself. What is the most positive and self-loving thing I could do for myself right now, considering this issue? What is the most positive and self-loving thing I can do for myself right now when you think about that issue? You have to ask this question, or you can note this down, this question, and ask yourself again and again. What is the most positive and self-loving thing I could do for myself right now? Some of you get an answer instantly from your heart or intuition or the voice from within. Some of you may not get any answer because you have never asked yourself this question, and in that case you have to keep asking. And some of you get some answer, but the answer is so radical or the answer is so tough that you really feel fearful, you really feel doubtful that whether you should act upon this or not. But my friend, if the answer is coming from within, then this is what you really need to do. If you are not sure yet or you are not getting answer, then keep asking this question to yourself again and again all through the day. Or maybe you have to ask yourself this question again and again, even for a week, every single day. Every time you feel negative or you feel so sad or unhappy about this situation, then every time you think like that or you feel like that, you have to ask this question: what is the most positive and self-loving thing I could do for myself right now? When you ask, you will get the answer. And remember, this question has two very important aspects: the most positive and self-loving thing. Yes, why self-loving thing? Because the focus should be on your own well-being first. Because only when it is driven by your own well-being, then you could able to do it properly, and then it is in your control, and then it will raise your vibration so that your life will become better. And then it should be a positive thing, because I know many people, they have a negative situation and they want to come out of this negative situation, and they get indulged or addicted to something negative again. Then they started taking drugs, or they get addicted to alcohol or different kind of mind altering substance, or they get in, or some people fall into the trap of like eating junk, and food become an escape from this negativity, and eventually they gain weight and they have developed different complicated health issues. Then other people, they just gossip with someone else, or they watch some negative movies or listen to some negative song, and this is how they distract themselves for a while. But because most of these are negative activities or having negative energies, so it can help you escape from it for a while, but it's not going to change your life and not going to resolve the issue. That is why the solution should be self-loving but a positive one. Like, for example, let me give you some example. Let's suppose you are always tired and you are always feeling drained out, but you have to work on your business, or you have to work on some important goal and you have been working on it, but you are constantly feeling tired and drained out. So maybe you can take a break, or you can take a leave, or you can relax yourself, because this is a self-loving thing but not a negative thing. Okay, your goals or your success may get delayed for a while, but that's absolutely fine, because you are resting yourself to recharge yourself and be absolutely positive state of mind to again rework on your dream so that you can do it better. So this is a self-loving thing but a positive thing. Let's suppose you are overweight or having some health issues, and every time you know that some particular food or some particular activities are keeping you sick or making your situation worse, but still you are indulging in them, then you have to stop doing them and you have to change. You may find a better diet, or you may start following a healthy habit, and maybe you always wanted to join that gym, or you always wanted to start that meditation, you always wanted to go for that yoga class, but you have been delaying. This is the time you have to do it, and maybe in doing so that you will be giving 1 hour or 2 hours of your time, maybe you have to skip some time, maybe you will use your Facebook little less, maybe you have to stop watching those movies or TV series that you watch in your free time, maybe you have to stop gossiping with that friend, maybe you have to stop talking to someone over call, because you have to invest that time in a positive activity. Same way, if you are going through some relationship issues and you are trying to heal your relationship, but you are trying, but the other person is very negative, or the other person is taking you for granted and nothing is working out, maybe this is the time for you to take a break from this relationship and work on yourself. Maybe you have to even break up and move on. You have to decide on this. Or maybe, like many people, they share in the comment section that some of you have been asking, like, okay, the person whom you try to attract, who is your crush or who is your ex, but this person is having relationship with some other people, or this person is cheating you constantly, and you still trying to heal this relationship because you consider this idea that you love this person. Stop doing that. If a person's energy and their behavior is constantly hampering your mindset, that it's better to break that relationship, because if this person is carrying some kind of negativity which is constantly disturbing you, and if this person is knowingly doing this thing again and again, then this is high time you have to leave this person behind and you have to move forward, and maybe you have to find a new person. You will find a new person who has a positive impact. So sometimes the situations are tough, but you have to take the call, because in spite of doing everything, if things are not improving, things are not getting in the positive flow, then this is high time where you need to take a call and you need to do something positive but self-loving for yourself, so that it is for your highest good. So remember, the solution could be unique to every single person. Maybe the solution for one person in the same situation would be different than the other person in the exactly same situation, because it is coming from within and it is coming as per your situation. So there is no fixed solution to it. You have to keep asking yourself. If you are not sure, keep asking this question to yourself again and again and again, and you will definitely know the answer. If the same answer is coming every time or more often, then that is the answer that you have to follow. Like, it can be taking a break, it can be resting yourself, it can be breaking from some bad habit, it can be moving on from a toxic relationship, it can be even leaving some friends or people behind so that you could move positively forward, or it can be going on a vacation, it can be start cultivating your a new hobby, or it can be start following your passion or start doing something new. Your inner being always know what is the right path. But only if you start asking the right question, you will get the right answer. And the right question for your situation is, ask yourself, what is the most positive and self-loving thing I could do for myself right now? Keep asking until you get the answer and certain about it. And once you get the answer, no matter how tough it is, stick to it, and don't be worried about whether the answer is ethical or right or wrong, or whether it was based upon your past beliefs or not. If the answer is telling you to do something positive and self-loving, go for it. This is your inner being want you to do, because once you do it, your vibration will go higher, and that's when whatever tools, techniques, processes you are applying, everything will work for you. My friend, if this video has resolved this issue of you, if this video has inspired you to find that solution, then like it and do let me know in the comment section. If this video is an eye-opener for you, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our journey. And if you want to learn some tools and techniques to change your life, you can join our powerful program 28 Magical Practice. Check the link in the description section. And remember, the question you have to ask yourself is, what is the most positive and self-loving thing I can do for myself right now? And I must tell you, sometimes the answer will not be very easy or simple, but my friend, if it's a positive one, if it's a self-loving one, if it's best for your higher well-being, then go for it. You have all the power, you have all the energy within you to make your life truly awesome. The God, universe, higher power is guiding you. You have the power within you. You have the greatness within you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.